Hello, welcome. Let's tackle this question on algebraic fraction NOV-DEC 2024. For what values of y is 6 minus 1 all divided by y squared minus y minus 6 be undefined? So for a fraction to be undefined, it means the denominator is what? 0. So it means there is a value that the y will assume that when substituted by will make your denominator expression to just be 0. So we need to find that value that will make the y to be 0 in the denominator. That simply means that we equate everything in the denominator to be 0 in order to find a value that will make y 0. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So from here, we can say that for 6y minus 1 divided by y squared minus y minus 0 and minus 6 to be undefined, it means that the y squared minus y minus 6 to be 0. We are equating only the denominator to be 0, ignoring the numerator, because whatever value in the numerator doesn't matter. As long as the denominator is 0, we have undefined. So this is a quadratic equation. We find factors of the constant term minus 6. When we add, you must get what? A negative 1. So 3 times 2 is 6. Minus 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times minus 3 is 6. So which one will you add to get a negative 1? And that will be giving you minus 3 and what? 2. By the multiplication, minus 6 is acquired. By addition, negative 1 is acquired. So it means that we have y minus the first factor, y plus the second factor, plus because this is positive 2, all equals to what? 0. So that implies that y minus 3 is 0 or y plus 2 is 0. So fast forward, you transpose this, y will be equals to positive 3, or when you transpose this, y will give you what? Negative 2. So we have to look out for the option that will produce positive 3 and negative 2. That will be the option what? B. I guess when you do this, we are only interested in the factors. You can also replace the minus y by your minus 3y, positive 2y, and perform grouping. Factorize. You come back to this as your answer. Again, this is clear. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.